Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Clash Royale on PC and laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up a web browser and search for Google Play Store PC. Click on the top result, which will take you to Google Play, then select Download on PC. Once the download is finished, open File Explorer, go to Downloads, find the installer, and double-click on it. You can choose where you want it installed, then click Install and wait for the process to complete. After installation, the app will open automatically. Click on Sign in with Google, and once you're signed in, you can close that window and return to the app on your PC. Choose a name, click Create Profile, and agree to the terms and privacy policy. Next, look to the left side and click on Explore. Here you should see Clash Royale, or you can search for it if it doesn't appear right away. Click on the game and select Install. Once the installation is complete, click Play. You'll also find the game in your library on the left side. The game will now open, and you can start playing Clash Royale on your PC or laptop. And that's it. So that's basically how you can play Clash Royale on PC and laptop. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.